Fireworks have been around for more than 1,000 years. They were invented in China, but now you can see large fireworks shows almost anywhere. I've blown up some pretty awesome fireworks. Half and quarter sticks of dynamite, firecrackers, bottle rockets, and of course, most people's favorites, the mortar. Today we're going to focus mostly on the mortars and the big booms. These days, most fireworks are made using flash powder, not gunpowder like most people think. They're both black powders similar to each other, but flash powder burns more quickly, allowing for more of a bang instead of just a burst of fire. When making firecrackers, M80s, or most small explosives, it's usually just an amount of flash powder packed together in a tight space with some sort of casing. Some larger explosives use other ingredients, but those ingredients are kind of hard to come by and are usually not that safe. Most people's favorite firework is the mortar. You drop a mortar shell into the mortar tube, and boom! They shoot into the air and explode some really pretty colors. But how the heck does all that happen? And how do they make all those fun colors? The mortar can be broken down into about 5 main parts: the lift charge, the shell casing, black powder, a timed fuse, and some chemicals mixed with metal called stars. First, you light the wick, which ignites the lift charge. The lift charge shoots the mortar shell into the air, while also lighting the timed fuse. The fuse is timed to light the black powder at the highest point in its flight. Then boom! The shell casing explodes, shooting out all the stars. The stars are positioned in certain places so they explode in certain shapes, sizes, or even those fun little smiley face ones. So that's awesome, but how the heck do they make all those awesome colors? Well, let's take a step back and get our science on. When atoms get excited or heated, the electrons move up to a higher energy level. When the electrons move back down to the normal stable energy level, the atom loses a very specific amount of energy as photons. The photon's specific amount of energy relates to the wavelength of light, and as you may know, different wavelengths are different colors. What this means is that each element burns a different color. So for fireworks, they add different elements, compounds, or element combinations to make the wide array of different colors that we see in those beautiful explosions. So next time you go to a fireworks show, you'll know how all these awesome little objects work. And as always, thanks for watching and have a super duper delicious day.